In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a CSV or Xlsx file to Trello, a task that's simpler than you might think. Whether you're using Trello for personal organization or team project management, knowing how to upload these types of files can significantly enhance your productivity. First things first, let's log into your Trello account. Head over to Trello's website and locate the login button, which you can easily find on the home page. Clicking this will prompt the login options. For ease and speed, select the Google option if your account is linked. Choose your Google account from the list and you'll be whisked right into your Trello boards. If you're not linked with Google, don't worry, simply enter your credentials in the provided fields. Next, identify the card where you'd like to attach your file. Navigate through your Trello boards to find the specific card you're working on. For those who manage multiple projects, using search functions or board filters can expedite this step. Once you've located and clicked on the desired card, a more detailed view will open. On the right side of the card's detailed view, you will notice an option labelled Attachment. Clicking on this brings up multiple options for file uploads. Here's a pro tip. Trello supports a variety of file types, and attachments can be managed easily if things start to get a bit cumbersome. After selecting Attachment, you will see a button that says Choose a File. Clicking on this will prompt your computer's file explorer to open. Now this is where your pre-prepared CSV or Xlsx file comes into play. Navigate through your computer's directories until you locate the specific file you wish to upload. It's always helpful to organize your project files in advance, making them easier to locate when needed. With your file selected, click Open or the equivalent option on your system. Your file will be uploaded to the Trello card as an attachment, ready for you and your team members to examine and utilize. This feature is particularly useful for tracking progress, sharing data, and collaborating effectively. Finally, take a moment to ensure that the file has uploaded correctly. You'll see the attachment listed on the card, and you can click on it to open and verify its contents. If for any reason there's a mishap, don't stress. Simply remove the attachment and repeat the upload steps. That's it. You've successfully uploaded a CSV or Xlsx file to your Trello card, ensuring that your vital data is accessible and centralized for your team. Keep practicing, and soon enough this will be second nature, allowing you to take full advantage of Trello's organizational prowess. Thank you for joining me, and happy organizing.